I have major news for human-mice chimeras, and it's going to change the face of medicine. If you're not familiar with humanized mice, these are mice research models in which you can take human cells and grow them inside of them. You can give them human organs, you could give them human liver stem cells, and they can have a humanized version of a mouse that things like medication can be tested on, and you can also do it with their brain. In fact, mice that have been given human stem cells for neural tissue end up smarter when they have human brain cells in them. There's been this idea that if you do make a human-mouse chimeric brain, it's just going to be taking over the animal model. It's not going to be any different. It's not going to have any greater level of consciousness. We still don't really know, but that's why it's controversial to do it. The really exciting thing that was found is that you can do it with cord blood. It's often an issue to be able to get access to fetal tissue for these kinds of experiments, and it's largely not done in the US. An alternative to making your own humanized mouse is using your own cord blood. And yes, you can also take something like skin tissue or marrow and create induced pluripotent stem cells, but it just doesn't work as well. It's also a much more expensive and more complicated process. What this means is that we can have personalized medicine using your stem cells in a humanized mouse. They have relatively short lifespans and they're pretty well established in research, so they are a good model. Imagine you need treatment for cancer, but they're not entirely sure what medication will work. You get your own little mousey friend. Yes, it is controversial, but it's an exciting new development.